morning everyone, myself Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about Jenkins Overview. Okay, let's see the overview. First one, what is Jenkins? Jenkins is a open source. Okay, it is written in Java, and Jenkins is a CI/CD tool, continuous integration, continuous delivery tool. Okay, inside the Jenkins, we have thousands of plugins. Using the plugin, we can configure anything. For example, if you want to configure Git and Maven inside the Jenkins, you have to install the particular Git and Maven plugin, then you can integrate. Okay, and Jenkins also supporting cloud-based architecture. It means like you can, if you want to deploy anything from Jenkins to cloud-based, example AWS, Kubernetes, Google Cloud, we can easily to deploy. Okay, and Jenkins default port number is 8080. Okay, if you want, you can change the port number. And Jenkins current version is 2.379. Okay, and we have a Jenkins LTS version also. The LTS version is 2.361.4. Remember, LTS is nothing but long-term support. In real time, we will be use long-term support version only. Why we will be use long-term support version? For example, I'm using latest version. It may some bugs, right? Okay, if there is any bugs, might be it will be break our Jenkins jobs. Instead of that one, if you use the LTS version, it should be good. You won't get much errors. Okay, not only Jenkins, any tool will be use LTS version only. If you choose Nexus, if you choose Jfrog, anything, we will be choose only LTS version. LTS is nothing but long-term support version. Okay, and if you see here, if you go to Google, now we can see here Jenkins. Just type in Jenkins. If you observe here, Jenkins.io is an official website. Here you can get documentation. If you require documentation, you can click here. You can get all the documentation, whatever you want. Example, if you want to install, how you can do, you can go through this documentation, you can get it. Okay, and Jenkins, you can see the Jenkins version. Just type in Jenkins version. Okay, here we have a, just click this download. If you observe here, as I said, like the latest version is 2.379, but LTS version is 2.361.4 LTS. Remember, you can install the Jenkins any operating system, Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu, Linux, Windows, okay, Mac also you can install. Okay, but remember, better to use LTS version only. In real time also we'll be use LTS version. Okay. And also we have other CI tools, continuous integration tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, TeamCity. Still, if you have a multiple tools also, but majority of the organizations, they will be use Jenkins only. The main reason is it is a plugin based, you can easy to configure, and it is open source. Okay. And one more thing, remember, if you are aware of all the tools apart from Jenkins, for example, if you are aware of Git, Maven, Tomcat, Nexus, Jfrog, okay, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, AWS. If you are not aware of Jenkins, you never get the job. Remember, if you attend any interview, okay, under person, they will be expecting you should having good experience in Jenkins. Okay, remember, Jenkins is a backbone of DevOps. Okay, I hope understand that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you next video.